Hey guys, all right. So first recording of the school year. Here we go. Man, I feel like I'm back at COVID times, but all right. So we're looking at evaluating, let's say, these right now in this video. Cosine 2 pi over 3, tangent negative pi over 2, and sine squared of 5 pi over 4 minus secant of 120. All right, so I'm going to go through these in this video, and then in the next video I'll go through those. But here we go. So what do you need to know? Well, we need to remember that cosine is a ratio. Whoops, wrong tool. Cosine is a ratio of x over r. And we have this awesome unit circle underneath here. So here's the other awesome part of this unit circle, 2 pi over 3. Right? With practice, you'll know exactly where to look with this really quick. But, well, here's 1 pi over 3, which is a 60-degree angle. So 2 of them must be the 120 angle. It is. And now we take the x-coordinate, negative 1/2. We take the radius. By the way, remember the radius on a unit circle everywhere is 1. So we're imagining, all right, here's your radius of 1 over there. Here's where it would intersect the unit circle. But the x would be negative 1/2. And oh, come on, wrong tool again. I want to keep this video short and sweet. Here we go. X would be negative 1/2 over 1. That's ridiculous because dividing by 1 is not needed. So our answer, negative 1/2. Done. That was easy. And that's it. You don't have to justify anything else. If you draw a unit circle once on a test or a quiz, I know you know how to use it. That's it. There's no triangles, no converting to degrees, radians. That is it. Tangent, what do we need to know? It is the ratio of y over x. Tangent of any, oops, come on, guys, work with me. And I'm talking to my right tools over here. The radius, but we do need the y coordinate. Where? Negative pi over 2. Again, with more practice, this is pi over 2, a 90-degree angle. But we want negative pi over 2, so we just have to remind ourselves to rotate 90 degrees clockwise, negative 90 degrees, also called negative pi over 2. So here we are, and now take your y coordinate, negative 1, take your x coordinate, 0, build your ratio. This is negative 1 stacked on 0, which we know is undefined. The end. Man, this is simple, simple, simple. I love the unit circle. Here is its power. No triangle needed. As long as you draw the unit circle, there's your justification. All right, buckle up. This one's just going to be a little number crunching. We already know how to use the unit circle. This one's going to be number crunching. And no calculator. No calculator. You need to know how to do this without a calculator. You will need paper and pencil, tiny bit. Sine. Let's remember a couple things about sine. We know it's y over r. Secant. It's the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is x over r, so secant is r over x. All right, and I'm going to subtract those things. Now, where am I looking? 5 pi. Oops, by the way, this one says squared. All right, that's what that means there, right? So basically, this is what we're doing. Got it. So let's go to find 5 pi over 4. Yes, I'm still at school. It is now third lunch, and I'm supposed to be in the cafeteria for lunch duty, so I'm going to get there in 1 second. Sorry, Mr. Fontaine, don't fire me. Can I delete that? Yes. Okay, so 5 pi over 4. 1 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4, right here. So take the y, negative square root of 2 on top of 2. Take the radius, 1, and build it. Let's see. So here we go. Negative square root of 2 over 2, and square it. I'll come back to you. Next, take the radius, 1 everywhere. Remember that. I don't even have to look. The radius everywhere on the unit circle is 1. And now I need the x coordinate. Where do I need the x coordinate? At 120 degrees. All right. Where are you, 120? You're right there. I see you. take the x coordinate. Oh, this looks intimidating. I got you, -1/2. Guys, at least write it on your paper. Still no calculator. Ready? Let's do this in 60 seconds. We're going to square a negative. That's positive. We're going to square √2. That's 2, except with the pen. And come back. Here we go. That's 2. We're going to square 2. 2 times 2, 4. Done. Subtract. Now, how do we attack this? Really quickly, I'll talk more about this in future examples. But see this number 2? We're going to multiply top and bottom using it. All right, the top becomes 1 times 2, 2. -1/2 of 2. Carefully, -1. We're almost done. This is 1/2. Keep, change. Taking away a negative is adding 2. Your answer as a mixed number, 2.5. We can do a few things with this. Go back to middle school, learn to multiply, and then add this. So you get 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more, 5/2. There's your final answer. Thank you for watching.